Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind of Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil,
I'm Zina.
and we're here at
Museum of Illusion.
That's right, folks. We're here at Museum of Illusions in Chicago, Illinois. We've been here before, but they've recently upgraded, so it's supposed to be revamped, bigger, better. So we're gonna have a look and see what this place is all about. Oh, that's cool. We gotta reset it. Can we reset it? I see someone else beforehand. I see you coming out. There's you. So right when you enter, you got this. It's pretty cool. Like, yeah, let's put them all back.
That was so funny.
Well, there you folks have it, Museum of Illusions in Chicago. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye. Subscribe to all the channels.